Jennifer, and I'm the publicist here for Wingamm USA. We are down at the Motor Enclave in Tampa, Florida, and we have our 3 models, the 540, which is our smallest, most compact luxury RV on the market. We have our 610, our middle one, which I love because it has a little extra storage and a little extra bed area, you know, if you got pets or an extra guest. And then the 690, our beautiful, our biggest, but still small in comparison to competitors RV on the market. You can drive them all here on the F1 Formula Road racetrack at the Motor Enclave.
All right, so I'm here at Tampa at the F1 Formula tracks, and I will be test driving the 610 today at the Formula tracks. That is amazing. So let's go.
I'm very proud of this opportunity, test drive, because test drive is a very important part of the Wingamm experience. So this is absolutely very important. Thank you so much. And thank you to my team for the commitment, the passion, the enthusiasm. And thank you. Enjoy the race.
So 610 it is, driving it at the F1 Formula tracks. I'm excited. I've never done an F1 Formula track driving, and it's gonna be amazing. It looks cool. I'm kind of scared, but hey, I'm in a Wingamm Oasi 610. Nothing can go wrong. I cannot wait to hit the pedal. So smooth, like, wow. No sound whatsoever. I can't hear the engine, I can't hear the wheels, like I can't hear the exterior, like nothing. It's super, super quiet. And I have CS here with me. She actually is the proud owner of this specific vehicle. She just bought it, right?
Oh, a little over a month ago.
Well, yeah.
Waiting for it to arrive.
And I'm actually driving her vehicle, so I'll be very careful, don't worry.
Oh, you're good.
Guys, look at that. Rear view mirror gives you a full view of what's going on behind you. Those rear view cameras that I showed you in my previous video, they are something special. And look at the cab, like everything is like amazing. Don't think that it's a Ram ProMaster and it's nothing as good or less good than a Sprinter or a Ford Transit. Ram ProMaster has stepped up their game tremendously. You should definitely give it a try, test drive it to understand the difference. In front of us is actually a 690. And behind us is a 540, and I'm in the 610. It is so smooth taking all these sharp turns, like unbelievable.
So you're going to accelerate to about 55 miles an hour, and then you're going to be looking ahead for our deceleration zone, where you're going to slow down to 20 miles per hour.
We will be speeding up to 55 miles an hour. We're good to go. Wow. Super cool.
Awesome job. And the last RV, you are good to go.
The last ride we did 0 to 60 in 12.5 seconds.
Woohoo!
In an RV.
Alright, we're going to come to a stop at these blue cones here. Same thing as before, we're just going to do one person at a time. I'm going to do the demo, and then I'll let you guys go after.
So now we're doing tight turns, like 360s. That was fast.
Alright, second RV, you're good to go.
All right, let's go. I'm not as adventurous as he am. Like, I can't do that. I'm fine. That was great. that 360 turn was awesome. Like, I didn't even struggle. The vehicle just took it like a champ. Unbelievable. And I'm not feeling that I'm carrying a 20 feet home on wheels behind me. I literally think I'm in a luxurious SUV or a sedan. Like, it's really, really awesome.
It was nice.
Potential customers are test driving their Wingamm rigs. Everybody's enjoying the ride quality, and how well the actual rigs are handling the road. So Janet, how was it?
It was an awesome ride. We have been waiting so long to be able to test drive the Wingamm brand of RVs, and it was better than what we anticipated.
I'm driving now the 690, the T for twin beds. My experience on the 610 was amazing. It drove like butter, literally like a high-end luxurious SUV. I didn't hear the engine, the road. Yes, we're on a F1 formula track, so it's very smooth, but normally you would hear the engine, you would hear the exterior, the road. I don't hear anything. It is very smooth, very quiet, and it doesn't feel like I'm hauling a motorhome behind me. And right now I'm driving a 22 feet motorhome, and it feels super light, super smooth, very cool, like really, really good job. And many people has this wrong idea about Ram ProMaster is less than Sprinter or Ford Transit. A lot has changed with Ram ProMaster. You guys have to try it. And honestly speaking, this is not kind of a rig that you would take off-road. So Ram ProMaster will handle it awesomely, and it's got 9 gears on this. So it's got a lot of power. It's an upgraded transmission system. It handles so much better than the previous models. So a lot has changed. That's what I wanted to emphasize on. So not everything is better when it's a Mercedes or Ford Transit. So take that into consideration. 22 feet motorhome. This could be my daily driver. I could take it to the grocery store. It feels super, super quiet, very easy to handle, and it drives great. Yeah, now we turned off the AC. It's quiet. I have my guests in the back. And what do you guys think?
Good description. It's a luxury SUV that's 22 feet.
I guess we're approaching the acceleration zone. Good to go. Let's go. Buckle up. Whoa. Whoa.
That's power.
This is powerful, guys. $55. Wow. Fantastic. It didn't even struggle.
And even while we were accelerating to 50, it was still quiet at 50.
Oh yeah.
What's your guys' experience at the back?
Very enjoyable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think if someone's traveling with the family, they got kids back there, it's a comfortable spot for them?
Very much so.
It is nice.
Yeah.
This has a second seat, I guess, besides the dinette area. Sitting here is nice, being able to eat from here, to do work from here. We're independent of each other, and we're not having to trip over everybody. So that's the nice thing of being a little bit bigger too.
So how does this feel different from the 540? So this is the biggest one they have, and the 540 is the smallest.
It feels the same. I'm not feeling any difference between 690 to 540 and the 610 that I've drove. It still feels the same. Like, I'm not feeling I'm hauling anything in the back. And here's the thing, I can compare because I own a 23.5 foot long Class B Plus. That's on the older Ram ProMaster chassis, 3500. And this is a 3500 with a new upgraded transmission, engine, everything. It doesn't feel the same. This feels superior by all kinds of means. When I drive mine, I do feel I'm hauling a whole house on wheels in the back. I sway, I feel the wind, I feel this, I feel that. It's like loud, I can hear everything. Here, I repeat myself, it's a luxurious SUV feel like. It's super cool. That was amazing. Freaking loved it. And it handles like butter. It's just beautiful. You have to come and test it. I cannot emphasize enough how awesome of a driving experience it is. I have bumped into one of the coolest RV channels on YouTube. And guys, I want you to meet Koen, 12-year-old.
Hello.
Koens RV World?
Yes.
Is that your channel on YouTube?
Yes.
Guys, I need you to go and subscribe to his channel. His link to his channel is in the descriptions below. Give him a subscribe, let's support him and help him grow. The things we do for a great shot on YouTube, like they took us on the tracks for high-speed shots.
He's got a better hair day than I do. That's all I got to say.
All right, so if you want to see more of the 610 or 690, just go to my videos linked right here at the corner. They're just amazing. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the road.